Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Music not working on your iPhone. Why is my Apple Music not working? This question usually hits at the most inconvenient of times, like when you are just getting into a car and want your road trip playlist, or you are about to hit the treadmill and want upbeat tunes to keep you going. If you find yourself asking why my Apple Music isn't working, well, you'll be glad to know that there are several possible reasons and the most of them are easy to fix. So let's go over them and let me show you how you can fix it. So the first step is check your Apple Music subscription. The first thing you should do when your Apple Music isn't working to make sure your Apple Music subscription is active. An expired credit card or debit card can mess up your auto renewal. So the first step, make sure that you check your Apple Music subscription whether it's active or not. Next step is restart app. Sometimes app glitches, so one of the most fixes, you have to restart your app. You can just close the app and open to see if it's work. You can simply swipe up if you have iPhone with the no home button. So if you have iPhone with the home button, you can double tap to the home button and close the app, then reopen the app again and see if your Apple Music is working. So if it's still not working, then the next step is check your Wi-Fi or network connection. If you haven't downloaded your music, Apple Music won't play it without Wi-Fi or data connection. When songs or albums aren't downloaded, they are streamed, so poor service or no Wi-Fi could be the culprit of why it won't play. So make sure that you have a working internet connection. For that, to check if your internet connection is working or not, you can always go to YouTube or Safari browser and browse anything to make sure that your internet connection is working. So once you have made sure that your internet connection is working, then the next step is delete and re-add the song or album. If just one song or album won't play, try deleting and re-adding it. Sometime a glitch like this will happen and will resolve it. So make sure that you try to re-add or re-download the song to play. And the last step is update your iOS music app. So you cannot update the Apple Music app directly from the App Store. For that, you have to update your iPhone completely. To check if there is any update available, you can always go to settings, click on general, simply click on software update. And if you get any update here, make sure that you download and install that update, and make sure that your iPhone is on the latest iOS. So once you have done all these steps, your Apple Music should be working. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.